Our 100 test rows are running, so let's take a look at our monitor page. Here we can get a high-level overview of our job run, such as the total cost, percentage complete, and trusted versus untrusted judgments. We also see how many contributors entered quiz mode and how many were able to enter the job, as well as the results of their feedback survey. The most important aspect of monitoring a job is reviewing our test questions to ensure they're actually helping us get the kinds of answers we expect. Here we can sort by missed test questions as well as contested. If we notice one of our test questions is highly missed due to a mistake we made when creating it, we can update that test question to be correct, or simply deactivate it and create another that's less problematic. This forgives all contributors who were marked incorrect originally, bringing their accuracy up accordingly and ensuring those who are doing a good job can keep working. Let's take a look at a couple of highly missed test questions. To the right, we can see contributors' contestations. Contributors are able to contest a test question if they think the answer is not accurate or fair. This contributor has noted the airport code on this tweet is different than what we have. In reviewing the tweet, we can see the actual code mentioned is SJU. By clicking the plus sign next to this answer, we can accept it as correct. We should also remove the incorrect answer. We made a mistake when making this one, but correcting it will forgive contributors. Since we're confident in this answer, we can mark this question as past review, which indicates that we've already reviewed this test question and don't need to address it again in the future. Aside from flagging troublesome test questions, contestations can also provide valuable feedback on your instructions in job design. It's common that after reviewing test questions, you may want to update your job instructions to be more clear or incorporate new edge cases. As we can see, monitoring test questions is incredibly important while running a job. We gain insight into how well contributors are understanding the job, as well as what we may need to iterate on to ensure we're getting the most value for our time and money. This is paramount in running and monitoring the job. Now that we feel confident in our test questions, let's take this opportunity to create more. Once we have 100 finalized rows, we can convert them into test questions to quickly unlock more work for contributors. First, we need to index these rows to make them available for conversion. We can filter by questions or answer label and skip around until we have a row we want to use. The top answer will automatically be chosen based on the filter, so we can simply fill in the remaining answers and click Convert. This row has now been added to our pool of test questions. Please go ahead and review and update the remaining test questions, and we'll see you in the next video.